Are you looking for the best gas pressure washer in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best gas pressure washer that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Simpson Cleaning MSH 3-in-125 MegaShot Gas Pressure Washer. Arguably the best gas pressure washer you will come across for your everyday needs. The Simpson Cleaning MSH 3-in-125 MegaShot Gas Pressure Washer has a lot of amazing features. It uses a powerful Honda engine to provide superb performance. At the same time, the maintenance-free axial cam pump ensures consistent operation that keeps the fuel moving without the risk of clogging. It comes with a welded steel frame that is very durable, while the pneumatic wheels make it easily portable across a wide range of terrains. You can also enjoy the multiple nozzles that provide a broad range of degrees for getting into tricky places. These include 0, 15, 25, and 40-degree tips, plus a soap nozzle that enhances cleaning even further. The threaded M22 connection is compatible with most outdoor faucets. Up next in the 4th place is the Westinghouse Gas Pressure Washer. The Westinghouse gas-powered pressure washer provides a variety of options suitable for a wide range of demands. Each will offer powerful, deep cleaning pressure to loosen dirt and grime, and the 1-gallon gas tank ensures long-lasting performance. Its recoil start engine makes it simple to use, so it's ideal for first-timers, and with its axial pump, maintenance shouldn't be a common issue. The steel frame construction should ensure long-term reliability. The 3rd product on our list is the Generac Gas Pressure Washer. If you're looking for simplicity in your machine, the Generac Gas Pressure Washer has it in spades. One push-touch start gets the engine roaring immediately, and the lithium-ion battery plus charger further enhance usability. There's also a power dial spray gun, which you can adjust to find the desired pressure, demonstrating superb versatility that both casual users and professionals find desirable. Its onboard pressure washer detergent tank will take the hassle out of refilling and lugging a spare container around. Its 4 quick-change nozzles provide excellent variety and help you target distinct types of muck and grime with confidence. Second on our list is the A-iPower Aqua 2700C gas-powered pressure washer. The A-iPower Aqua 2700C gas-powered pressure washer boasts a strong pressure rating that puts it firmly in the middle of domestic and professional suitability. For home use, it can handle a variety of everyday tasks. If you're looking for a professional solution, this could be perfect for finishing smaller tasks with ease. It uses a versatile quick connect wand that comes with 3 nozzle tips for different angles, as well as for soap. And its 2 8-inch wheels make it easy to shift from one place to another. The frame is also both durable and compact, providing confidence in your purchase and convenient storage. Finally, the top product on our list is the Champion Power Equipment 3-200-Si25 GPM Gas Pressure Washer. The Champion Power Equipment 3-200-Si25 GPM low-profile gas pressure washer will provide the cleaning muscle required to eliminate grime, grease, and dirt. The pressure washer comes with a quick connect gun with 5 handy nozzles, while the high-performance pump will ensure that you have smooth and consistent water pressure for years to come. Other features include a 25-foot pressure washer hose and an ergonomic trigger gun, ensuring that you have enough range that you don't have to move the machine too often. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.